Hello and welcome to my video on a few quick tips on how to ride your ATV up and over really technical terrain. Let's get started. As you approach the obstacle, of course you want to get a good look at it, but the trick is to get a nice run after you get a good view and decide your line. If you don't keep your momentum up, as you can see, you're going to roll backwards. And we'll talk a little bit more in a second about what can happen really bad when you go backwards. But once you pick out your line, the saying is, fast as necessary, slow as possible. That applies really well here. You want to approach the obstacle with enough throttle to keep steady momentum. Momentum is your friend. Keep it up as you roll over, and you'll cruise right over, especially in four-wheel drive. Here's why once you pick your line, you want to commit to go up and over the obstacle, especially if it's somewhat of a steep hill. If you stop halfway up, then start to roll back and hit your brakes, you're probably going to go over. The best case, you're picking your 500 machine back up, or worst case, your machine is rolled onto you and you have an injury. But keeping that momentum up really allows the four-wheeler to bite in and use the available traction. As you can see here, even when things get a little squirrely, staying on the throttle smoothly and feathering it allows you to work over the obstacle. And you'd actually be amazed at what a little bit of momentum can do when all the wheels are spinning for traction.
It's also possible to go too fast for the trail conditions, which can keep you from controlling the four-wheeler and possibly lose balance.
So next time you're approaching that obstacle and you've got a good line, make sure you commit. Otherwise, you kind of get stuck and you're not going to get very far. But if you choose your spot, make sure you're in four-wheel drive, keep a consistent line with some good body English, and keep up your momentum. And you'll be surprised at what a four-wheeler will go over, especially one with four-wheel drive. Thanks for watching. Happy riding.